Welcome to Mastering PSLE Maths with Tutiply.
Okay, so for this question, it tells us that this pie chart over here, it shows us the number of pens, erasers, rulers, and notebooks sold by a shop, right? Then this same information, it is shown in this bar graph over here. Alright, but the names of the items, they are not shown on the bar graph. You can see bar graph, it never says which bar shows, let's say for example, pens, which bar is for notebooks, right? So that's what we got to figure out. Then they're asking us how many more pens than erasers are sold. So if I want to find the difference in number, we must use this bar chart because bar chart has the numbers here. So it must match the pie chart to the bar chart. Okay, so firstly, the pie chart, you can see that this is a middle line. So this splits the pie into two, right? Then let's first compare erasers and rulers, right? You can see erasers is slightly smaller than rulers. And erasers basically is the smallest pie of everyone. So we know that in this bar chart here, erasers will be this one. The smallest one, the shortest one. Alright, then rulers will be the second biggest one. Second smallest, sorry. So this will be rulers. Okay, then now comparing pens and notebooks, right? Maybe by eye it's a bit hard to see which one is bigger, right? So we refer to this half. So when you split into half, right, we can see that erasers is smaller than rulers, right? So which means that pens will be bigger than notebooks. Understand? Because erasers is smaller, right? Erasers is smaller compared to rulers. So since eraser is smaller here, we are split in the half, right? So it means that in this half, pens will be bigger compared to notebooks. Okay, so pens would be the biggest one. So the highest one would be pens. Then the slightly smaller, second largest one will be notebooks. Okay, so how many more pens than erasers are sold? So pens, over here we can see that pens is 80, right? Then erasers, we have 30. So how many more pens and erasers? We'll take 80 pens minus 30 erasers equals to 50. So the answer is option 4.